back to my channel. Today I'll be doing some 8 squishy dares. So I just write them on this piece of paper so you guys know that squishy dares will be involved with cutting squishies. So I got some squishies, not squishies, just scissors here, and sorry if there's background noises. I don't know why, but yeah. Alright, let's just move on. Okay, so it's the first squishy there. It says cut to your favorite squishy. It doesn't say 1 or 2 or how many, so I'll feel like cutting this wheel because it's one of my most favorite squishies and it's like defected, so I feel like cutting this wheel squishy.
I like all the windows.
Sorry about that, but yeah, okay. So I just want to feel, I don't know how big am I going to cut since I'm going to cut 2 squishies. I'm just going to do small cuts. So I'm going to cut the tail. Oh my god. I cannot believe I'm doing this. Oh. Oh, the scent is stronger. Oh, it's super slow rising though. Okay guys, so this, why is it not concentrating, but this is what I cut. Since I'm going to cut 2 or 3 squishies, this is how small I'm going to cut and my mom's going to kill me. So let's just cut another one, which is this one. And yeah, and the whale squishy is from Kibru, and this ice cream emoji squishy is from Lele Squishy. Okay, this is my favorite one, so yeah, because it's like so slow rising and it has beautiful nice smell, and I want to cut this part right here. I'm so sorry my squishies. Oh, it's pink too guys. Look at that. Oh my god, it's sticky too. Look at that, it's like sticking. And this, look at that. Alright, let's just cut another squishy since that's a little cut, and my also another favorite squishy is English bread by I Bloom. Yeah, because it says I Bloom here. And it says also Ayama Tokyo squishy, so I don't know which squishy is it. Alright, so this is the squishy and it's like already super defected. Like this type of squishy always get defected so easily, and I've been wanting to know what's the color of the inside of this bread, so I'm just gonna cut right here. Oh my god, why is it so hard to cut?
You use the button.
Oh, it's white. Is there an air bubble? Oh my god, guys, there's an air bubble right there. Oh my god, it looks so ugly. Alright, and this is the piece I cut, and it has like, see, there's a blend thingy there, so yeah. Let's go put that back. Okay guys, the next squishy there is to throw a squishy in the toilet. So I guess I'm going to show this squishy in the toilet bowl. It's like so defected, but and it actually, and it also say throw away a squishy, so and throw a squishy in toilet, so I'll be throwing this squishy away and put it in the toilet. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's not poop for your information. It's just a dirty kind of thing. So 1, 2, 3. Ew. God dang it. Is that cheating? I don't think that is. Oh god. This is so disgusting. Okay, so I got it out of the bowl and throw it away. It's noisy here, but ew. Okay, so I have another squishy there, and I have to wash a squishy, so I feel like washing this emoji mini bun squishy. Wash it down, and the cars are bad. Okay, so this is the squishy. After I wash it, it's kind of dirty, but it's fine. Anyway, let's just move on to the next one. Alright, so I think, let's see how many I've got. Alright, so whatever. Alright, so let's see, the next dare is to wrap a squishy with slime. So you guys have seen my slime collection, and I'll be right back getting my slime. Okay guys, I did not do part 2 of the slime video because I feel I need to collect more slimes. So I feel like doing the part 2 more later, but yeah. Okay, so this is one of it, and it's a very big, fluffy, thick, clicky kind of slime. Okay, now for the squishy, I am hoping to do this total squishy because it's like this part really slime. This part, so okay, so that's my mini turtle and some slime, and probably this won't get off, but it's okay, right? Whatever, let's just get this over with. Alright, just gonna try to wrap the thing, so I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's just get it off now. Did it stick? Did it? Okay, did not stick. That it filled. That is such a relief. So let's. Oh my god, I'm getting quieter and quieter. So as I was saying, I said that was such a relief, and yeah. Okay, the next squishy there will to scotch tape a squishy. Okay, so I'll be using a. Okay, so I have this burger squishy. Okay, I have to zoom in a bit because the background is going to be messier and messier. Okay, so I got this kind of a tape. Yeah. Okay guys, so I've wrapped the squishy with the tape, and it becomes this golden mini bun. Alright. Then the next one, I have to draw on a squishy, and this is the 7th squishy there. Okay, so this is my squishy box. Okay, I feel like drawing on this one and with a marker. So I'll be using this. Okay guys, so I'll be using this green marker, and this is from this one. Okay guys, there'll be some noise, but I'm just trying to do as fast as possible. But so I draw with it, and like I get a mess. Alright, and let's finish with the last squishy there. And the last there is cut a mini squishy. Okay, so I'll be cutting this one again. So I'll be cutting the head off. Okay, so I've cut the head, hand, everything off. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment some slime or squishy thingies. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.